What's the worst mistake you've made with your business website? From typos to listing out of stock products, we've all had moments where things haven't gone quite to plan. Mistake number one, trying to design before adding products. Now look, you can go and set your color scheme, fonts and layouts first, and things will work out okay. But it is so much easier if you start with your inventory when you first build your store. Shopify is actually set up to encourage you to start with your products in the dashboard, and there's a reason for this. It means your online store is designed around your products, which makes sense when your main goal is to get as many sales as possible. Mistake number two, getting carried away with apps. Did you know Shopify has over 8,000 apps in its app market? With so many options, it can be tempting to install a ton of them to add as many cool features to your store as you can. But there is a cost to this, not only in the price of the paid apps, but also in the user experience of your store. Too many apps can create a cluttered, overwhelming site for visitors and really slow down your loading speeds. Both these things can also have a negative effect on your Google rankings, so best to be strict when browsing the App Store. Aim for 10 or under. Mistake number three, not connecting to a custom domain. When you set up your Shopify store, it automatically comes with a .myshopify.com domain. Not very memorable, is it? You want your URL to reflect your brand and be easy to remember, which is why you need a custom domain name. You can buy and register a domain online and connect it to your site, making it easy for people to find you. Mistake number four, bad product imagery. What's your biggest bugbear when you're shopping online? Chances are you don't buy from sites that have bad product photos, and your customers won't either. Blurry, dark, over-edited or cluttered product photos are a surefire way to lose sales. Make sure you set up a nice background with good lighting and take photos from multiple angles. This helps customers get a better picture of your products. As a bonus tip, Shopify even lets you add 3D models or videos to your products, which can be really helpful to bringing your products to life. Mistake number five, building a store, not a brand. Okay, this one is a little bit of a longer term project to work on, but the benefits are worth it. Don't fall down the hole that a lot of first-time Shopify merchants fall into, which is just adding products to a template and expecting sales to start rolling in. I'm going to give you a scary stat. Around 5 million online stores use Shopify. You need to build a brand, a trustworthy, recognizable image, and a loyal customer base to see a real growth in this competitive landscape. And I know this does sound daunting, but some easy ways to get started include adding an about page to your site and feature it on your homepage. Create customer profiles based on your target audience. And think about your tone of voice. For example, is it playful? Is it sophisticated or punky? If you've answered yes to all three, then you might need to go back to the drawing board. Get a custom logo and make sure your color schemes and fonts are consistent. Set up a simple marketing plan. You could use email, social media, or blogging to connect with your audience. Now, bonus tip, I'm going to finish with a surprise mistake number 6 because it's something we see far too often, and it's forgetting the basic store info that customers want to see. Make sure you're featuring these clearly on your homepage. Your returns policy, your contact info, your location and opening hours, and customer reviews and links to your social accounts. These are important for building trust. The good news, this is a super easy one to action. So if you leave this video with just one thing to do, check your homepage for those essentials. So have you ever made any of these common Shopify mistakes before? Leave a comment with any that I've missed. You could be helping out someone by sharing it. And the good news is these are really easy mistakes to fix, and it's never too late to make improvements. Delete those old apps you're not using anymore. Snap some new product photos using your phone or camera. You could have a better store in just a few days. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to get more tips and advice, and I'll see you for the next one.